In today's video, I'll show you how to create a bar chart in Power BI using Power BI Desktop. Start by launching Power BI Desktop and opening your report file or dataset. Once you're on the report canvas, make sure your data model includes at least one categorical field such as product, region, or category, and one numeric field such as sales, revenue, or units. A bar chart requires one category and one measure. Next, go to the Visualizations pane on the right side. Click the clustered bar chart icon if you want horizontal bars. If you prefer vertical bars, choose the clustered column chart instead. A blank chart will appear on your canvas. Resize it by dragging the corners so it fits your layout. Now connect your data. Drag your categorical field into the y-axis if you're using a bar chart or into the x-axis if you're using a column chart. This defines the categories displayed. Then drag your numeric field into the x-axis for a bar chart or into the y-axis for a column chart. This determines the length or height of each bar. Once the chart displays your data, you can format it. Select the chart, then click the Format icon in the Visualizations pane. Turn on Data Labels to show the exact values on each bar, which makes comparisons easier. Adjust the text size and position so the chart stays clean and readable. You can also customize the colors to match your report theme. Use a single consistent color for simplicity or apply conditional formatting if you want to highlight higher and lower values visually. Finally, update the title and axis labels so they clearly describe what the chart represents. Clear labeling improves readability and makes your report more professional. That's it. Choose the bar or column chart, assign your category and value fields, format the design, and you've created a clean, readable bar chart in Power BI.